Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, we will speak about Xiaomi 17T Pro together. First, I went to shop. I analyzed everything that I could experience. And after that, I will show you what's on paper and what they say on paper. And we will compare with other smartphones in mid-range. And we will see we should buy this smartphone or not. So about design and quality, I gave 8 and 8.5. Why? Because 17T Pro built by aluminum frame, but about 17T it's plastic, which I didn't like it. If you haven't watched that video, go and watch it. So I give 8 and 8.5 about quality, and in hand feel was very good. Again 8. You can see speed of UI or smoothness of UI is very fast, very good. Xiaomi is very good about it. So I gave 8 out of 10. You see, I open and close programs very fast, but it works. So for the smoothness of UI, I gave 8 out of 10. Let's see camera. You see very nice camera. Not very, very detailed. It's a bit weaker than other mid-range smartphones, but it has good camera with good zoom. When you zoom in and zoom out, you can feel that it is good smartphone with good camera. I gave main camera 0.8 out of 10, zoom quality 8 out of 10. After that, I checked selfie. For selfie also, first of all, I analyzed my face. It was good camera. You can see it doesn't have very good zoom about selfie camera. So I gave 8, but because of zoom, I gave 7.5. So about recording video, what's different between what we see and what we experience? So you can see also video is good quality. It is 4K video, very nice. So for video quality, I also gave 8 out of 10. So I like this smartphone. How about speaker quality? Let's see. As always, hard because it has Chinese language, but let's go. Okay, the speaker was very good. I gave 8 out of 10. For the speaker, for innovation, 8. For AI features, 8.5. And for software features, 8.5. Okay, how about paper? What paper says? Let's see together. Okay, you can see 28th May 2026, available in China. They fixed that problem. Front is Gorilla Glass 7i is very good, and also frame at the moment is aluminum. Aluminum is not my favorite material, but it is good. It is good because all mid-range smartphones at the moment use of this, and also flagships. So it has eSIM plus maximum 2 eSIM and 2 nano SIM card. It is very good. You can have 4 numbers, IP68, but not IP69 for dust, tile, and water resistant. So screen is AMOLED, 68 billion colors, very good. Very good about screen, 6.83 inch. And I think this will weight. Weight is 219 gram, but again, good. You don't feel it is heavy. In hand, it's very good. So how about resolution? You can see resolution here. And it comes with Gorilla Glass 7i. It's very good. Android 16, HyperOS 3. MediaTek, no, is very powerful. MediaTek Dimensity 9500, very good, very powerful. You can work hard, you can play game. It is very powerful. Octa-core CPU, and it is very powerful. About memory, it comes with 256 till 1 terabyte, with 12 gigabytes till 16 gigabytes. So again, at the moment, they gave very good options when you go on Pro. So it's not same with 17T. 17T Pro is very, very, very better than 17T. If you haven't watched this video, I tagged that video. You can see also I have video about that model. I didn't like that model too much, but at the moment they came back again. So main camera is weaker than other mid-range smartphones because Oppo and Vivo at the moment gave 200 megapixel, but this 50, 50 and 12 megapixel. But about video, it's better than them because it has 8K and 4K resolution for video. And for selfie, 32, again, a bit weaker than other competitors, but video is same, 4K, which is good. What we need more? USB Type-C, battery is 7,000 milliampere hour, is very good. So it is maybe same for global. Not fantastic, but it's very good. For 1 or 2 days is enough. And charging is more powerful than other mid-range smartphones. 100 watt for wired and 50 for wireless. It has also wireless option. It is good. But price is very, very, very more expensive than others. 999.90. That means 1,000 euro. It is double price. So what we can say? Let's summarize it. In mid-range smartphones till here for June 2026, best competitors are Oppo Reno 16 Pro and Xiaomi 17T Pro. But Oppo is near about 500 euro. Battery is a bit weaker. Camera is more powerful. Charging is weaker. I'm speaking about Oppo. Is weaker. But other things are same, near about same together. And yes. So if you don't care about money in range, mid-range phone, you can buy this model. This model is again very good. But if you think that it's very expensive, or if you think camera is more important to you, Oppo Reno 16 Pro can be better option for you. Please write in comment bar which of them do you like more. You know my favorite brand is Oppo. So, and it's not advertising. Generally, I like Oppo more than other smartphones in mid-range. But this model, very powerful and also very expensive for mid-range smartphone. What's your opinion? Please write in comment bar. What do you think? And which smartphone do you prefer? Write, like the video, share to your friends, please. See you very soon.